Welcome to our quick guide on accessing the videos your iCSee camera recorded after buying cloud services. Let's find out why you might not see your videos and how to easily locate them. Let's begin then. Logging into your iCSee account. First, ensure that your camera status is online. This confirms that your camera is actively connected. Verify that the Smart Alarm feature is enabled. This is crucial for automatic recording. Click on Setting, then select Smart Alarm, and go to Action. Here, make sure the Record option is activated. Your camera is now set to record upon triggering an alarm. When an alarm activates the camera, you'll see a small red mark in the Event section. Click on this to view detailed recordings. Alternatively, you can access the cloud service and select Cloud Playback. A calendar will appear, showing dates with alarm records, marked with a small green label. Choose a specific date to view or download the alarm-triggered video recordings. In conclusion, if there are no videos in Cloud Playback, it could be no alarms were detected, or the smart alarm is off.